Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. As you know, in this series we are trying to practice and learning SpaceClaim by doing multiple 2D sketches and drawing. So for today, let's start and begin with the following model. As you can see on the top of the screen, we are gonna to do this model, which is which has many circles, as you can see, to be done. So let's begin together and do this too. So in SpaceClaim, I'm gonna to go to Sketch, and after going to Sketch and choosing the axis, we click on the plan view. So let's start from the center of our coordinate system. So I will choose a circle, and I will actually model the center circle, which is had a diameter of 8.4 millimeter. And as you can see, down and up we have these corners, which are like a part of the bigger circle, has a radius of 8 millimeter. So let's try the whole circle first. So it has a 60 millimeter as diameter. And to the right we have this small circle at the end. So let's draw it first. It has a diameter of 2 millimeter. So circle with 2 millimeter. So I have to position this circle right because I do it arbitrary now. So I go to design, I go to move and choose the circle. After that I choose this direction and the ruler and tell him that I wanna enter this line. So I click on this, and from there to there should be 60 millimeter. So now our circle is right positioned for now. And at the outer here location, we have also a bigger circle, which has a radius of 2 millimeter. So a diameter of 4 millimeter. So let's draw a 4 millimeter circle. And as you can see now, we have from there to there a tangent line. So how to do this in SpaceClaim? It's actually easy. All what you have to do is from create. So let's exit now. From create, you go to the tangent line, you click on it, and choosing anywhere on this circle and to the other circle, he will create a tangent line to both of these two circles. So we can do it also down, and as you can see now we have these two lines which are tangent to these two circles. So first, as you can see, we have some extra line now on our sketch. So let's remove this extra line. So I go to modify and choose that trim away function there. I will remove this extra arc and this extra arc. So now we are much better. So I'm gonna draw the full right side of our model so we can do next mirroring by getting the other side and the complete model. So like this, it will be efficient way to do it fast as possible and in a smart way. So we are having right now to draw these a rectangle, not arc form actually. As you can see on the drawing, they have they are an arc of two circles. One has a radius of 10 and another with 11. So let's try to sketch these two circles first. So I will go from the center, and first I will from a diameter, so R11, that's mean 22 millimeter. And I will go and sketch another circle with 20 millimeter, which has a radius of 10. So let's remove the extra edges for now so we can see better. And now we are having to draw the horizontal line. So from there, I'm gonna to do the following. I'm gonna to choose center line actually, or construction line. So I'm going to sketch from there to there. And as you can see, the total length from there to there, the distance should be 6 millimeters. So I have 3 millimeter from this side, and from there down we have 3 millimeter. And now let's go to line and start from this position and draw a line. I will exit down line and exit. And now we can trim all the extra lines. So we go back to modify, trim away, and remove all these extra line, including like the construction lines. So we can like delete them also. So these lines, so for now we are like finished. So you can see it's easy to be done. And for now we are like finished from this side. Now let's try to do the second side, but not like manually as we did like on the first part. So in order to do this, I have to go to design and choose mirror. So I choose mirror. I will choose the Z axis and I will do the following. So we need this line and this arc, this line. We need this circle and we need these four or two arcs and two edges, as you can see. And as you can see, we are done. We like mirrored everything that we had there to there. We had only like this extra line, so we go to back to sketch, modify, trim away, and trim this line. So as you can see now, we are like we did this model or this 2D sketch. It was like easy, some tricks to be done, but we learned so much. So let's now put some dimensions on it to finish it for today. So let's go to detail and like make the size of the dimensions like a little bit smaller, 2.5. I will go to dimension and choose dimensions as you know before, and from this circle to this circle, he chose actually the wrong line. I want from center to center, so I exit. So I go back to this center, click on it, to this center, and right now we have the 32 millimeter. We have that diameter there, 8.4. We have the radius of 8. We have the radius of 2. We have here a diameter of 2. And we have from there to there 6 millimeter. And the radius of each arc here, so 111. And the second one is actually 10 millimeter. So as you can see, we did put all the required dimension on our sketch, and this is now finished. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover. The model or the 2D sketch, you will find it on the description down, so you can download it and do it by yourself and practice with it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.